Well, in about 20 minutes, we're going to have the arrival of the David Thompson bicentennial Columbia Canoe Brigade, and this is a group of about seven states, and 5 provinces represented here. We've got about 100 paddlers with us today, out of a total of 200 that are participating in the entire 6 weeks of the brigade. And we're saluting David Thompson, the explorer, the map maker, the fur trader, and a surveyor extraordinaire that came down the river almost 200 years ago to the day.